we'll guide you through how to create a Stripe example that will get you up and running with online payments quickly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard. This is your main hub for all things Stripe. On the left side, you'll see a menu. Click on Developers and then select API keys. Here you will find your publishable and secret keys. These are crucial for accessing the Stripe API, so make sure to keep them safe. Next, go to the Payments section and choose Create Payment. You can select either a one-time payment or a subscription option, depending on your needs. For this example, let's go with a one-time payment. Enter the amount, currency, and a description for the payment. Then, click Create. Now, if you want to test this payment setup, switch your keys to test mode using the toggle at the top of your dashboard. This allows you to simulate transactions without using real money. To integrate Stripe with your website, you'll need to use the stripe.js library. Go to the Documentation section from the Developer menu for the latest instructions on how to implement it. Follow the setup guide to include Stripe elements like payment forms on your site. Remember to replace the test keys with live keys when you're ready to go live. A helpful tip is to use Stripe's pre-built UI components to save time and ensure your forms are secure and compliant with PCI standards. Finally, monitor your transactions by checking the Payments tab regularly to ensure everything is working smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.